Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntv4x.com. The Electoral College and the Swing States Analysis. http ntv4x.com. News ID BC212F8112026 31:44 am. It is less than 3 months to November 3rd and markets now have another key event to focus upon: the U.S. 2020 presidential election. Early opinion polls have had the Democratic contender, Vice President Joe Biden, ahead of the incumbent, Republican President Donald Trump, for some months, both nationally and in the key swing states. However, all is still to play for, with many weeks of campaigning still to be completed. Incumbent presidents tend to get re-elected. Only George W. Bush Sr. in 1992, who lost to Bill Clinton, and Jimmy Carter in 1980, who lost to Ronald Reagan, have failed to be re-elected in recent history. Under President Trump, equity markets continued to rally, unemployment fell, and the USD remained broadly robust as business taxes were cut and regulations were rolled back. Expectations were high in Republican circles for a comfortable re-election campaign on the back of a growing economy and stock market. The pandemic has changed all of that. Although equity markets remain positive for the year, the USD has come under pressure. Commodity markets are at all-time highs and U.S. Treasury yields are once again under pressure as the markets react to the ongoing pandemic, the faltering U.S.-China relationship, and a desire for safe haven assets. Although there are millions of voters in 52 states, in the USA the president is elected via the electoral college, a system that was first devised back when the U.S. Constitution was created in 1787. Each of the 52 states are allocated a number of electors based, roughly on the state's population. So large, densely populated states such as California receive 55 electoral votes, whereas sparsely populated states such as Alaska and Wyoming receive just 3 electoral votes. In total there are 538 electoral votes available, and to become president a candidate needs 270 of these votes. So size matters, with Texas 38, New York 29 and Florida 29 all important in terms of numbers. Under this system a candidate needs a simple majority of the voters of the state to collect all the electoral votes. This is a first past the post system. Only Nebraska 5 and Maine 4 divide their electoral college votes in proportion to the votes each candidate receives. Currently, according to the latest polling, each candidate can be assured, i.e. these are solidly or most probably the candidate's core vote of the following electoral college votes: Trump 119 and Biden 308. 111 votes are within 5% of either candidate and 2 close to call, including Texas 38, Ohio 18, and Georgia 16. However, states like Florida 29, Pennsylvania 20, Michigan 16, and Virginia 13, plus Minnesota and Wisconsin 10 votes each, NBSP and all currently leaning towards Biden, are all battleground or swing states where the election will be won or lost. Where does this leave markets? Well, again, traditionally they do well in election years regardless if there is a change of president or not. However, we have not had a year like 2020 before. So regardless of who wins in November, the US president in 2021 will still be grappling with the impact of the pandemic, its economic fallout, and potentially a new geopolitical landscape. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.